Okay, after a prolonged beta testing period, Garmin have finally updated and rolled out version 5.0 of the Garmin Connect app. And in this video, I'll discuss some of the major changes to the app and show you where some of the key settings are now located compared to the previous version, which may help you set this app exactly the way you want and help you navigate this updated version a bit better. So the very first thing you need to make sure is that you've got version 5.0 or above of the Garmin Connect app installed on your phone. So for example, I've got version 5.0 installed here right from Google's Play Store. So the main update is here on the starting page itself, which used to be called My Day before in the previous version and is now renamed to Home. And this page is now split into three distinct sections. The first part here is the in focus area where you can swipe through your primary stats that are most important to you. And these appear in large format cards at the top of the screen. And you can customize these, which I'll show you in a bit. Oh, and you can set up a maximum of 6 stats in the in focus area. And for me, I set this up to show my sleep score, body battery, and weekly activities. Below that are the glances area, which show you secondary health and performance metrics in these smaller rectangular cards, which are more of a summarized view. And you can select these one by one, just like you could on the previous version. Now you can set up a maximum of 8 stats here to be shown at a glance on the home page. And selecting See All here on the top right corner shows you all the glances. Now you can customize these to show up to 20 stats, which we'll get to in a bit. Below glances, you have the events, training plans, and challenges area, which show any official events, challenges, or Garmin coach plans you might have signed up for. Now, right at the bottom of this is the Edit My Home option, which I'll get to in a bit. Now, if you have completed any activity, they show up as today's activity above the in focus area here. And if you do multiple activities in a day, say if you've gone for a short run and then done strength training after that, they will show up as swipeable cards right at the top here, and you can tap onto each card to view the stats for that activity. Whereas previously, multiple activities on a single day would stack up right on top of each other. So I think the swipeable view in the updated version is a bit cleaner than before. Okay, so let's talk about customizing the new layout so you can view the stats exactly the way you want to. So by scrolling down and selecting Edit at the bottom, opens up the Home Settings area. This is where you can choose to add or remove the in focus, glances, events, training plans, etc. So for example, if I don't really use the events, training plans, or challenges in the app, I can unselect them from here. And then if I go back to the home page now, I can no longer see the training plans, events, and challenges. The home page is already looking a bit more digestible and cleaner to me. Now you can customize the in focus area by going back into the home settings and selecting Edit in Focus here. And you can pick any of these stats up to a maximum of 6. So I'll maybe add my running trend and gym and fitness trend as a stat, and then reorganize this a bit, hit save, and then go back to the home page. And now I can swipe across the main stats that I have selected and reorganized quite easily. Okay, so if you have a Garmin wearable that has sleep coach built into it that guides you on how many hours of sleep you need after a long training day, you can view that card by selecting the sleep coach option here, and any recommended guidance should show up on the home page now. Now to customize those smaller cards in the glances area, select the Edit at a Glance option here in the home settings, and here you'll see the current glances on your home screen. And you can tap on the red minus icon to remove any stat you're not really interested in. And you can also select this add option here to see all the other stats available to add to your glances here. So I'll add my heart rate variability, pulse ox, and calories burned. And if I go back to the home page now, these are all visible as glances in these smaller rectangular cards. Now, if you were used to and interested in seeing yesterday's and the last 7 days health and performance metrics, you can bring them back here in the updated version of the app. To bring them back on the updated version, go back into the home settings area, Scroll all the way down and turn these two options on, and now you should be able to see your yesterday's as well as the last 7 days health and performance metrics at the bottom of the homepage. Now you can also completely reset the homepage and apply one of 3 themes or preset options, so to speak, which are called Be Healthy, Stay Active, and Track My Training. And each preset is targeted at specific stats. So for example, for me, if I pick Stay Active, it'll focus on my sleep, body battery, and my exercise trends stats in the homepage. Now we want that selecting any one of these 3 options will completely reset the layout of your homepage. So any adjustments that you might have made will be overridden by selecting these options. Now the other change made by Garmin is to the web platform, which is exactly in the same format as the updated Garmin Connect app. So you can see the in focus, glances, events, training calendar, and challenges sections on the web platform. Now the layout on the web platform is synced with the layout on your phone, so any change you make on the web platform will eventually materialize on your phone as well. Now the updates seem to be mainly around this homepage on the Garmin Connect app, and in Garmin's own words, they wanted to modernize and make the layout a bit more simpler to navigate through. Now being a long-time Garmin user, I was used to the previous version of the app, which I quite liked, to be honest, and I was a bit surprised when I first opened up the updated 5.0 version of this Garmin Connect app. Now I feel that Garmin have improved the app slightly in some areas. For example, the multiple activities for a single day are now swipeable rather than being stacked right on top of each other on the previous version, and the whole in focus area where I can see the primary stats that I am interested in a much more easier and swipeable view. But I think that the whole at a glance areas with those smaller rectangular cards look very odd to me. I mean, for example, look at the VO2 Max card here. It's got this massive rectangular space right at the bottom, and on the previous version I feel like the space and layout was much more utilized with just the right level of information shown for each statistic. And my thoughts are that I almost wish I got a hybrid version of the smaller incremental improvements of the 5.0 version and the well-optimized stats cards from the previous version. But what do you think of the new 5.0 version of the Garmin Connect app? I know there's quite a lot of divisive opinions online about this new version, so I'm keen to know what your experience has been and what your thoughts are in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful in any shape or form, don't be shy from tapping that like button. And for more helpful videos, reviews, and updates on wearable tech just like this, make sure you also tap the subscribe button so you don't miss out on my next video, which, by the way, is going to be a full in-depth review of the Garmin Forerunner 165. See you in the next one.